Brett Lawler, Home Team Inspection Service. We received an email from Marcus who sent us a question during a deep freeze. He says his furnace has been running nonstop, recently started making a noise he's never heard before. And he's asking what tends to fail first when systems are pushed to a limit during cold weather.
Yeah, well, there's a few things that can go on. Some of them, depending if it's a heat pump, you're going to hear the noise outside, potentially. If it's a gas furnace and you've got the burners inside, you're probably not going to hear noise except for the blower motors. Blower motors that are running all the time are susceptible to failure. As the bearings fail, in particular, they will start a grinding or a whining noise. That's the indication that they may be going out, or they just don't work at all. Anytime you hear an odd noise like that, I would recommend that you contact your HVAC company, have the technician take a look at it just to make sure that it's a problem that can be repaired before the system, potentially takes out other components. If like a bearing fails and then you take out the motor with it. So yeah, to get those serviced. Don't let those squeaks annoy you, assuming that they're going to get better once we have warmer weather move in, because that's not the case.
Yeah, spraying 10W40 on the inside of the
No,
HVAC, you're not going to do the job, right? That's like,
no, no. It'll make a smell throughout the house. Might temporarily make the squeaking stop, but it's not the solution you're looking for.
all right. Hey, a quick reminder, want to see reviews. Before you hire it, by the way, a repairman for that HVAC, you definitely want to ask around, but even do a Google search. But look at the reviews for that person. We're proud of our reviews. We made it simple for you. If you want to hire us, think about it. Go to LouisvilleZillow.com or LouisvilleGoogle.com to read our reviews.